So if you are using a different app to GoodNotes, you will need to use the zipped folder of PNG images. So you want to go ahead and tap download, then download again. Then you want to click on the download icon at the top of the page if you're using an iPad. Tap on the file and it will take you to your downloads folder. If you're using an iPad, you'll be able to open the zip file by just tapping on it. You will then see a folder appear that will contain the images. If you're not using an iPad, you will need to download an app such as WinZip to be able to access these files. Next, you want to open up your chosen planning app and import the PNG images from your downloads folder. Select the image you want to import. I'm just going to crop this down slightly and then place it where you want in your planner. Feel free to drop me a message if you need any further help.